with someone pressing pause and unpause every second. It's like, Japanese is, it's a nice language. Is it? I don't know. Whenever I walk into a sushi restaurant,
Indian person committing a crazy crime. Like, when was the last time you heard of Indians robbing a bank?
Right now, you're looking at a TikTok channel. Take a moment to observe the performance of these videos. The first one has 3.4 million views. The second one has 5.1 million views. And many other videos have also reached millions and thousands of views. Now, let's talk about what this channel actually does. It's very simple. There's a stick-style character standing on a stage. The background looks like a wooden stage setup, just like a real stand-up comedy environment. There's an audience sitting in front, and the character performs there. If we talk about this channel's growth, you can see it has around 291.8K followers and about 2.8 million likes. According to TikTok's monetization system, this channel has posted around 569 videos and gained approximately 4.85 million hearts. Its engagement rate is around 1.66%. From the Creator Fund, TikTok typically pays around $0.04 per $1,000 views. But that's not where the real money is. The main income comes from brand deals. This kind of channel can easily earn around $2,000 to $2,500 per sponsorship. In fact, per 10,000 followers, creators can earn anywhere between $5 to $10. Today, we're going to use a tool where we'll generate both images and videos step by step. So don't skip this video, watch it till the end. And please make sure to support the channel. This is a new channel, and your support really matters. Alright guys, let's start the video. So first of all, I've already prepared a master prompt for you. Now let me explain how it works. First of all, I'll provide the link to this master prompt in the description. This is an all-in-one master prompt, specially designed for stick-style, consistent videos. Inside this prompt, everything is already structured in detail. It includes character design background, setup voiceover, lines 10, image prompts 10, video prompts. Everything is fully prepared and optimized for consistency. So what you have to do is very simple. Just copy the master prompt. After copying, go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt there, and then click on Generate. As soon as you do that, ChatGPT will instantly generate 10 consistent image prompts, 10 consistent video prompts, and even voiceovers included inside the video prompts. So basically, everything will be ready for you in one go. After that, we will take those image prompts and video prompts and generate actual images and videos. And for that, the tool we're going to use today is Whisk AI. We'll use it to generate images first, and then we'll generate videos from those images. So, step 1, you need to log in. Once you log in, it will give you some free credits. After that, I'll show you exactly how to create images and videos with a fully consistent style. Now, once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left side. You'll see 3 sections: subject, scene, and style. This is very important. Since we want consistent images and videos, we need to train the tool properly. So what you have to do is upload reference images. You need to take screenshots of your character and environment, and then upload them here. Add them one by one. Add some images in subject. Add some in scene, some in style. But remember, don't upload the exact same image every time. Use slightly different variations so the AI understands the pattern better. As you upload, Whisk AI will start analyzing the images. Make sure you let it complete the analysis properly. Go to ChatGPT, where we created Part 1, Highly Detailed Image Prompts. Copy one image prompt. Then come back to Whisk AI, paste the prompt, select your image ratio, and click on Generate. As soon as you click Generate, the process will start. Within just 10 to 20 seconds, Whisk AI will generate a high-quality, professional image using its Nano Pro model. As you can see on the screen, our first image is ready. It's perfectly consistent. Same character, same style. Everything matches. Now I'll generate the second image. Again, within seconds, you'll see the result. And as you can see, again, fully consistent. Same character, same environment. No difference at all. Now I'll generate more images using the same process. Simply copy the prompt, paste it into Whisk AI, and click Generate. That's it. And one more important thing. If you don't like any image, you can regenerate it. You can generate multiple versions until you get the perfect result. And the best part? This tool is completely free. There is no strict limit. You can generate unlimited images. So guys, as you can see, all our images are now being generated. Our goal is not just to create AI videos. Our goal is to help you earn. And now that all our images are ready, let's move to the next step, video creation. So once you've generated your images, the next step is to turn those images into videos. First of all, go to your generated images and select your first image. Out of the variations you created, choose the one you like the most. Now, when you hover your mouse over the image, you'll see an option called Animate. Simply click on Animate. As you can see, I currently have a few generations available, and I can use them for free. Later, I'll also show you what to do when your limit is reached. Now, the next step. Go to ChatGPT. From there, open Part 2, Video Prompts, and copy. Scene 1, then come back to Whisk AI, paste the prompt into the video generation box, remove any extra elements if needed, and simply click on Generate. As soon as you click Generate, your video generation will start. Now let me tell you something important. This is not a normal tool. Whisk AI uses a powerful model similar to advanced cinematic AI systems to generate high-quality videos. Our first video is ready. First of all, preview it.
Pag. People don't make sense anymore.
As you can see, the
Ever
result
noticed?
looks absolutely amazing. Very clean, professional, and highly consistent. Now, let's move to the second video. Go back, select another image, and again, click on Animate. Then go to ChatGPT, copy scene 2, come back, paste the prompt, and click Generate. And just like that, your second video starts generating. Right now, it's around 20% complete. In a few seconds, we'll have the full result.
And we know what we're
Preview the
doing.
video. Notice how smooth the character movement is, how natural the talking
Like,
looks,
we
and how
all pretend
professional
we know
the
what we're
entire
doing.
scene feels. Now, I'll repeat. The same process again. Now, here's something important. After generating a few videos, you'll see a message like, "You've reached your video generation limit. Please upgrade your account." But don't worry, there's a simple solution. All you have to do is log out of your current account, go back to the tool sign in with a new Gmail account, one that hasn't been used before. Once you log in again, you'll get fresh credits, around 150 credits. Now, repeat the same process. Select image, animate, copy prompt from ChatGPT, paste, generate, and just like that, the video starts generating again. Now, as you can
here's
see
the
the
scary
video's
part.
ready. Preview it. Super clean, smooth, and highly professional. And that's how we created a complete professional AI video using just one tool. If you want me to create a full video on how to set up your YouTube channel, SEO, how to build a monetized animated channel, then comment yes. Make sure to like and subscribe too. the channel.